Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, September 10th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar Canadian, and we're on the 4-hour time frame. So, on the 4-hour time frame, we've been going up for quite a while now. We are definitely approaching a pretty important resistance area, could cause a pullback. We also have the 78% Fibonacci retracement coming up, which definitely could cause a move to the downside. If this is the end of a wave C up here, then it needs to make a lower high. But the whole thing is it doesn't really need to do anything. It potentially could go up, bounce, not break structure, and just keep on going up. As you'll notice, this is higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. We have no breakdown at a Fibonacci retracement level yet. So that tells me that we would definitely want to continue to be bullish on these shorter time frames. I personally wouldn't be trying to buy right now. I would be trying to buy on these pullbacks that we've been getting all over the place. So if the market does make a nice little pullback, then I definitely would still be a buyer. If it ends up breaking structure to the downside at one of these Fibonacci levels, we have CPI inflation data coming out tomorrow, so that could be a good time for that to happen. Then that definitely would turn me back into a seller. But for now, the higher time frames are my friend, and they are definitely telling me to look for longs in an uptrend. So, anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.